Welcome. In this video we will see zombie scanning with Nmap. Nmap is TCP port scan method used to send a spoofed source address to a computer to find out what services are available and offers blind scanning of a remote host. This is accomplished by impersonating another computer. No packet is sent from own IP address. Instead, another host used, called as zombie. Zombie scans can also be performed with an option in Nmap. However, prior to using the Nmap zombie scan, we can quickly find any viable zombie candidates by sweeping an entire address range and assessing the IP ID sequencing patterns with Metasploit. To do this, we need to open Metasploit with the MSF console command and then select the IP ID sequencing auxiliary module. Let's start Open Metasploit. This auxiliary module can be used to perform a scan on a sequential series of host addresses or on a network range as defined by the CIDR notation. For the speed of the scan to be increased, the threads variable should be increased to the desired number of concurrent tasks. Type use auxiliary scanner IP ID sequence and enter. Type info for information. Here we see name IP ID sequence scanner module, auxiliary scanner IP ID sequence, license Metasploit framework license, rank normal provided by Grace. Basic options: interface, R host, R port, snaplen, and so on. This auxiliary module can be used to perform a scan on sequential series of host addresses or on a network range as defined by the CIDR notation. For the speed of the scan to be increased, the threads variable should be increased to the desired number of concurrent tasks. Type set R host 107.180.5424. Set threads 25. Show options. The name concurrent settings required descriptions. These are the row. Inside that, interface. In name, interfaced R host identifier, R port, snaplen, and their current settings, and they are required, and a description for them. That is interface. Required know the name of the interface, R host 172.16 and so. Required as the target address range or CIDR. R port current setting 80. Required as the target port. Snaplen 65535. Required as the number of bytes to capture. Threads current setting 25. Required as the number of concurrent threads, and timeout. Once the desired value for the required variables have been populated, we can verify the configuration of the scan again using the show options command. The IP ID sequence can then be executed using the run command. Type run. Here you can see it started. So that's it in this video on zombie scanning with Nmap. Thank you for watching this video.